My name is Guillermo Mazarrasa. I'm COO for Vima Foods. Vima Foods is a food distribution company. We purchase from frozen to dry goods from all around the globe, and we sell those goods to mainly the food service industry, hotels and restaurants, and supermarkets around the Caribbean. We didn't have the proper reporting systems in place. Every business unit was reporting on its way. We didn't have a standardized way of seeing the P&Ls, the balance sheets. We needed a tool that allowed us to analyze the information in the same proper way. We also had struggling in analyzing operational data. We didn't have a tool for planning and budgeting. We were doing everything in Excel. We were actually doing consolidation just annually and just for auditing purposes. So we kind of felt that we needed to step up on those kind of problems we were having within the finance world. What actually allowed us to choose OneStream as a preferred tool was the one single platform feature to help us get into the one source of truth world. For us, that was key, understanding that you could actually standardize and normalize all businesses in order to make proper decisions. My favorite thing of OneStream is the flexibility that allows us to do or think about performing any type of calculation or analysis in whatever kind of reason that we have. The benefits that we've had around the implementation of OneStream are gaining efficiency, the closing period from 20 days to 10 days now. The one business process that we have set up in OneStream is the allocation calculation of all the cost to the customers and products. And that took me around one whole day just waiting for Excel to calculate with OneStream business rules. Then I hit a button, I go home, and when I get home, I maybe do a refresh for 3 seconds and it's done. Now I can spend more time analyzing the results or the output of the process, but also in the decision-making kind of field. Because, for example, now that all the sales guys can access proper sales data, that it's kind of analyzed or clustered in a certain way, you can actually check OneStream and they can understand what they are selling to the customer, with what margin, so they can actually have a better understanding of the negotiation. You can do whatever you want within OneStream.